So, for example, banks provide banking services through mobile phone without the need to go to the bank branch. That means so without go to the bank, we are getting the service through our mobile phone, through our laptop or computer. That means the next one, e-government. That means electronic government is the use of information system to provide electronic services to citizens with the purpose of increasing efficiency, transparency, and citizen participation. That means when we are using e-government, we can get the service for our citizen for the purpose of increasing efficiency to get that service within the speed. That means transparency without getting to corruption. Without corruption, we can get the services and all citizens can be participated equally. That means the appropriate application of e-government allows for higher levels of effectiveness and efficiency in governmental tasks. That means they are used in higher level efficiently and effectively. Especially it is used for governmental tasks to increase the speed. That means how we can use this e-government through a portal. A portal is a web-based system, a web-based information system that collect information from different sources into what? A single user interface so that users can easily access the organization electronic service. This service can be used on the portal. That means we can use through the interface. That means የራሱ ዌብሳይት it have its own website. That means next, e-banking. Electronic banking is a form of technology-based banking service that avoid exchange of cash, checks, or other type of paper documents. That means it avoid what? Exchange of cash. No cash when we are using e-banking. We can transfer when buying and when selling something. We cannot get check, and there is no document. That means paper document can be avoided. That means here, this bank can used through the internet. It provides internet banking service. That means especially internet banking, ATM or automated teller machine, and mobile banking are the one part of e-banking services or components. That means so a person can be or the customers can make payment, okay, through make payment online through e-banking, transfer money from their account to other accounts, and also get other banking service from wherever they are. This is the main issue of e-banking. That means when we can use e-banking, we cannot go to the bank branch, a bank branch. That means we can use wherever we are, wherever we are. That means ATM are there, bank are there, internet banking, mobile banking, and also inside these source things, internet are there. Through the internet, we can use all these things. That e-banking service include ATM, mobile banking, internet banking, credit card, debit card, smart card, EFT system are there. What is the main advantage of this one or the benefit of e-banking? The cost of operation per unit of service is lower for banks. That means especially for banks, the cost for operating this service are very low. Instead of entering or instead of opening one branch banks, this e-banking are very low cost. That means customers can withdraw cash anytime using ATM services. That means we can use 24 hours and 7 weeks. That means we can withdraw a cash money through ATM. That means and also customers can make payment from wherever they are. They can pay the online, that means they can pay online, especially for water, for electric power, for DSCTV, for the students in education, especially that can learn private school, they can pay wherever they are. Third, customers can easily check their account balance. We can see our account balance without go to the bank branch, that means from wherever we are. Finally, customers can get immediate message about what? Transaction rate to their account when they can transfer money, or when there is transfer from other person, they can get immediate message, that means. So this is the main issue, benefit of e-banking. It have disadvantage, or there are a challenge, that means. The first one is digital theft are there. When there is no bank branch, or when all person can use this e-banking, when we are using through electronic banking or mobile phone, computer, digital theft can be increased. That means digitally there are hackers are there. They can hack, they can transact the money of others to its own. That means hackers are, they can steal many of a person, many of a country. That means they can take the money of others person without that means they can illegally take the protected one. That means digital theft. Exclusion of digitally illiterate citizen from e-service, e-banking services, especially it can exclude, it can limit the person that cannot use digital ቴክኖሎጂ ዛት ኤክስክሉድ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው፣ ይገላል ማለት ነው። እንዲገለሉ ያደርጋል አካ ኢሳን ኦርከማን ታሲሱ ዳንዳ lack of access to IT infrastructure in remote areas. In remote areas, there is the lack of IT infrastructure such as server, internet, computers, mobile phone are there. So this is the main challenge of e-banking. An affordable cost to acquire IT device like smartphone for low-income citizen. Maybe there are the citizen cannot buy smartphone. That means smartphone መግዛት የማይችሉ ሰዎች ስለሚኖሩ this is the challenge for e-learning, e-banking. That means the next one is e-learning. E-learning is a form of learning delivered through the use of digital device. That means the learning process that can be takes place through digital technology. That means the learning that can take through online. That means it is virtual learning, it is online learning, it is computer based learning. That means በኮምፒውተር ነው፣ በስልክ ነው፣ ቨርቹዋሊ በቪዲዮ ነው ማለት ነው። ይሄ ትምህርት አይነት ማለት ነው e-learning ይባላል። E-learning provide over the internet. It is referred to online learning. That means online learning ይባላል ማለት ነው። without go to the school. that means ወደ ትምህርት ቤት መሄድ የማያስፈልግ የትምህርት አይነት በትምህርት መንገድ ወይ ደግሞ ቢፋ በርኖታ መነ በርኖታ osoo hin deemin onlineidhaan baratamu, computeraan baratamu, smartphone digital device'itiin baratamu maal jennee waamna? E-learning. The main component of e-learning are internet, computer or mobile phone, digital learning resources, content developer, and there is learners. That means those are the component, the part of e-learning. That means e-learning ደግሞ ለመኖር ኢንተርኔት ያስፈልጋል፣ ኮምፒውተር or instead of computer mobile phone, digital learning resource, that's the material, books. That means content developers to develop the content of online learning material such as teachers and graphic editors are needed. That means and finally the learners. That means students are there. There is some benefit of e-learning. One, flexibility in learning time, that means learners can access and learn at any time or any day. There is freedom, that means of learning this one. We can learn እንደፈለግነው ወይ ደግሞ በሚያስፈልገን ሰዓት መማር እንችላለን ማለት ነው። we are flexible 2:30 መተን ትምህርት ቤት እስከ 6:30 መማር የለብንም ማለት ነው። we have time, flexibility of time are there, freedom of time, that means implementation of student-centered learning. Learners can learn on their own pace. That means it is implemented by student-centered, that means student-centered ለተማሪ እንደሚመቸው ነው ማለት ነው የሚዘጋጀው። ለተማሪ ጊዜ ሰዓት ወይ ደግሞ ቀን ታይቶ ማለት ነው። access to a variety of educational resources from different school or university, that means the resource for this teaching method or learning method can be we can get from different university or school, that means it is international way, that means another one, reach of multimedia learning resource, that means it have multimedia online ስለምንማር we can activate our selves, that means online by watching videos when we have at a rest time, that means we can watch videos, we can play games, or we can listen audios, that means because we are on the internet አይደብረንም ማለት ነው። when we can learn multimedia ብዙ መልቲሚዲያዎች አለው ማለት ነው። another one is reduce educational cost. There is no cost for travel and accommodation because we are sitting in our houses when we can get this benefit or this e-learning method. It have advantage, physical isolation, disadvantage, that means disadvantage አለው physical isolation of student and teacher, ተማሪና አስተማሪ በአካል ስለማይገናኙ there is physical isolation, ተማሪና ተማሪ እንደዛው አይገናኙም ማለት ነው። teachers have little control to monitor the progress of student learning, that means there is no control, there is minimum control, that means to continue the learner are continued or not. ተማሪው በደንብ ተምሯል ቀጥሏል አመት ሙሉ በደንብ ተምሯል የሚለውን አስተማሪ መቆጣጠር ላይ ትንሽ ይጥረት አለው ማለት ነው። ቴክኖሎጂ ሪሌትድ ኮስት ሜክ አክሰስ ቱ ኢለርኒንግ ዲፊካልት ፎር ስቱደንት ኦፍ ሎው ኢንካም ፋሚሊ፣ ዛት ሚን ዜር ኢዝ ሞባይል ፎን፣ ኢንተርኔት፣ ኮምፒውተር አር ኒድድ። እነዚህ ስለሚያስፈልጉ ፎር ሎው ኢንካም ፋሚሊ ስፔሻሊ ኢን አወር ካንትሪ ዊ all are low income family because we cannot buy one mobile phone or computer easily. Okay, so technology related cost are the main issue of this e-learning, that mean the demerit of this e-learning method. Another one is e-commerce. E-commerce is electronic commerce, that mean buying and selling goods and services on the internet, that mean e-commerce ማለት it is a website deployed, a website or it is web based deployed over internet, okay, to handle what online transaction, that mean for buyers, for sellers, for merchants, that mean those are the e-commerce one. E-commerce transaction, many actors are involved, including merchant, buyers or customers, banks, transporters. Those are the main component of e-commerce, that mean this one, merchant, buyer, e-commerce database, bank, transporter, እነዚህ ምንድን ናቸው? they are main component of e-commerce. e-commerce ለመኖር merchant መኖር አለበት፣ seller buyer መኖር አለበት፣ e-commerce database when they communicate each other, that mean ኢንተርኔት መኖር አለበት። ዳታቤዝ ውስጥ ነው ማለት ነው የሚቀመጠው የተለያዩ ኢንፎርሜሽን when we can transfer money, when we can buy car, house, and many in supermarket shops, that mean when we can get these services, all these services can be stored in e-commerce database, that mean advantage ደግሞ ምንድን ነው? it can avoid intermediary, ደላላው በመሃል አይኖርም ማለት ነው። when this one, it is a mode of business allows customer to buy product directly from the manufacturer or from the company at a cheap price, avoiding what? Wholesaler and retailers. avoid ያደርጋል ኢንተርሚዲየሪን avoid ስለሚያደርግ በቀላል ዋጋ ከድርጅት መግዛት እንችላለን። ይሄ ጥቅሙ ነው። ደላላ መሀል ሲገባ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ዋጋው ጥፎ ነው ማለት ነው የሚሸጡት። that one can be avoided here in e-commerce. Another one is convenience. ምቹ ነው ማለት ምጀት አላችሁ። customer can order product from there where they are. They can order the product without losing energy, time and the cost. that convenience በጣም ምቹ ነው ምጀት አላችሁ። ምቹ ነው ማለት ነው። በቀላሉ የምንፈልግበት ቦታ ቁጭ ብለን ማዘዝ የምንችልበት መንገድ ነው ማለት ነው ኢኮመርስ የምንለው። without tired, without losing our time. that means third, increased bargaining power for the customers. that means customers can easily browse the price of different merchant, different seller and choose the least price when it can buy something. that means በቀላሉ በቅናሽ ዋጋ እና ከተለያዩ ነጋዴዎች መርጦ በትንሽ ዋጋ መግዛት ይችላል ማለት ነው። ምርጫ አለው ማለት ነው ኦንላይን ስለሆነ። ግሎባል ሪች አር ዜር that means international. This type of commerce are not local area. local area አይደለም ማለት ነው። ኢንተርናሽናሊ ነው መሸጫው የሚከናወነው። akka addunyaatti ግሎባል ሪች bittaan gurgurtaan kan gaggeeffamu. asumatti lookaalii wanti nu dhorkuu hin jiraatu jechuudha. Telemedicine is another topic. Tele represent telecommunication. Telecommunication means it is when we say telecommunication, it is the transmission of signals over long distance. that means when the signal can be transmitted over long distance, over far away. that means የተለያዩ ኮሙኒኬሽኖች በርቀት ማከናወን ቴሌኮሙኒኬሽን ይባላል። ቴሌሜዲሲን ግን when we are using the practice of caring for patient remotely without caregiver and the patient being in the same physical location. that means and patienትን ትሪት ማድረግ that can live the people that live in remote area. የተለያዩ ሪሞት ኤሪያ ላይ የሚኖሩ ሰዎች ትሪት የሚናረግበት የቴሌሜዲሲን መንገድ ነው ማለት ነው። ትሪት የሚደረጉ original intended to treat patients who were in remote places that cannot comes to that mean when they are living in remote area they have the lack of or the shortage of medical professionals. የተለያዩ ዶክተሮች ፕሮፌሽናል የሆኑ ዶክተሮች ስለማገኙ ትሪትመንት የሚሰጣቸው በቴሌሜዲሲን ነው ማለት ነው። ሪሞት ኤሪያ ላይ የሚኖሩ ሰዎች far away from local healthy facility. that means there is shortage of healthy facilities. that means here ቴሌሜዲሲን ደግሞ ይሄ ነው ጥቅሙ። ለጤና የምንጠቀመው በቴክኖሎጂ ወይ ደግሞ ዲጂታል ዲቫይስ ማለት ነው። በእንደዚህ አይነት ለምሳሌ ዶክተሩ እዚህ ጋር ይቀመጣል፣ ኢንተርኔት አለ፣ ሄርት ፓልስ ቦዲ ቴምፕሬቸራችን ኦንላይን ማየት፣ ብለድ ፕሬሸር፣ ግሉኮዝ ሌቨል ፔሸንቱ እንደዚህ መጠቀም ይችላል ማለት ነው። የሆነ ፖርታል ወይ ደግሞ ኢንተርፌስ አለ፣ እዛ ላይ መጠየቅ ትሪትመንት ማግኘት ይችላል። የተለያዩ ፕሮፌሽናል ዶክተሮች ደግሞ ትልልቅ ሀገር ላይ ነው የሚኖሩት። እነሱ እንደዚህ አይነት የምንጠቀምበት ዘዴ ነው ማለት ቴሌሜዲሲን። አድቫንቴጁ ምንድነው? it can overcoming geographical barriers to access healthy care services, reduced cost through avoidance of costs such as travel and hotel services. when they are living in remote area, that means they can use telemedicine. because of that it can reduce or there is no cost for travel that means and for the service of hotel that means የተለያዩ ሆቴሎችና ለትራንስፖርት የአናወጣም ማለት ነው። ቴሌሜዲሲን ስንጠቀም የምንፈልገው ቦታ እዛ ሪሞት ኤሪያ ላይ ቁጭ ብለን የተለያዩ ትሪትመንት እናገኛለን። ዲገርስ አርጋና ይችላል access to specialized physician by people who live in remote location. access ወይ ደግሞ they can get ስፔሻሊስት ፊዚሻን ሊቭ ያገኛሉ ላይቭ ያገኛሉ ማለት ላይቭ ኦንላይን that mean okay teleconference this one is a final topic teleconference የሚለው ደግሞ it is a meeting of two or more people who are separated by distance using electronic communication that mean ሁለትና ከዛ በላይ ያሉ ሰዎች በአካል ሰፓሬትድ ሆነው የተለያየ ቦታ ቁጭ ብሎ ውይይት የሚያገኙበት ውይይት የሚያደርጉበት ቴሌኮንፈረንስ ኮንፈረንስ የጁን ያይ ስብስብ ማለት it is a generic term for connecting people from different location electronically they can live connecting to more peoples that can live different location how electronically how digitally that there are two popular forms of teleconference they are audio and video audio conference ለምንለው it is voice only communication sometimes called conference call ይባላል conference call which connects people from remote location via telephone line በስልክ መስመር ሁለትና ከዛ በላይ ሰዎች ሚቲንግ ማዘጋጀት መወያየት ይችላሉ ማለት ነው seems like this one እንደዚህ አይነት ሁለትና ከዛ በላይ ሰዎች ማውራት ቀጥታ በስልክ ግንኙነት ቀጥታ